Introduce features, highlight or overview summary about Proshine Tumbler heat press machine, mug press heat transfer. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Features, highlight or overview summary are include 5-in-1 heat press machine. The heat press machine equipped with large 15x15-inch heating element for t-shirts. It comes with 2-in-1 digital LED controller. 5 accessories. Easy to use. The controller is easy to set. You can set the temperature to Fahrenheit scale or Celsius scale. Temperature range 32 to 430 Fahrenheit degree, 0 to 250 centigrade. Timer control, 0 to 999 seconds. Intelligent audible alarm after the transfer. Dunnage pressure adjustment knob, can be adjusted according to the thickness of the material and you can exchange to other elements easily. Swing away design, full 360-degree rotation of swing away design. Allows the heating element to be moved safely aside. Full range pressure adjustment knob, can be adjusted according to the thickness of the material and you can exchange to other elements easily. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.